Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Join us at 3CIR and enroll in Certificate 4 in Government Security with a specialization in fraud control. This comprehensive course equips you with vital skills in fraud detection, prevention, and investigation, tailored specifically for government settings. Master key competencies such as monitoring data for fraud indicators, conducting awareness sessions, and handling sensitive information.
The hands-on expertise I gained here is unmatched. I feel ready to tackle real-world security challenges.
The flexible online study option fit perfectly into my busy schedule.
Graduates can pursue roles like Security Vetting Officer, Fraud Investigator, and Risk Management Officer. Ready to secure your future? Visit our website at 3CIR.com and enroll today. Join 3CIR and be part of a community dedicated to excellence in security and fraud control. At 3CIR, your success is our mission. Let's embark on this journey together. 3CIR, where your future begins.